combining the best of Roncesvalles and Queen West. This 2-story, 3-bedroom renovated Victorian home is a must-see. I'm Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 70 Fuller Avenue. Let's go inside and take a look. When you first walk into the space, you walk into this bright foyer with soaring ceilings, low-maintenance ceramic floors, and beautiful custom wainscoting. Perfect for entertaining and relaxing, this combined living room dining room features crown moldings, pot lights, wood floors, and a beautiful fireplace. And just through the dining room, we have this incredibly stylized kitchen with this beautiful barn light, exposed brick, the surround subway tile, butcher block countertop, and new stainless steel appliances. Off the kitchen, we have the stairs heading down to the basement, where we have the laundry room, a plethora of storage, and a 2-piece bathroom. Also off the kitchen, we have this quaint breakfast nook that walks out to the backyard. The wood floors and custom wainscoting continue up here on the 2nd floor, where we have 3 good-sized bedrooms and a tastefully renovated 4-piece family bathroom. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 70 Fuller Ave. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a personal tour, please reach out to us.